Your face is now wet.
Why?
I'm sweat.
Jesus.
That looks pretty good. I didn't want to do it too close to yours, so I was like, this is like dollar store. I started hanging me kids. It's actually kind of loud. Right?
Beep. Jeez. What?
So lovely.
So